Our topic is about proving the Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem states that the square of the longest side hypotenuse of a right triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the two shorter sides. So geometrically we can illustrate this by drawing a right triangle. So the hypotenuse denoted by C is opposite to the right angle of a right triangle. Then E and B is our two shorter sides. So algebraically we can translate the statement into C squared, where C is our hypotenuse, is equal to E squared plus B squared, where E and B are our two shorter sides. So this is the whole concept of the Pythagorean theorem. C squared plus E squared, C squared is equivalent to A squared plus B squared. So we can prove this geometrically. For example, we have a square. Then if I put a small square inside, so we created also the four right triangle inside. So if I put here a side as A, then this is B. Then since it is a right triangle, it is our hypotenuse, we can denote also it as C. Then this is our right triangle. We have four right triangle, a right angle rather. Then opposite to the right angle is always the hypotenuse, so we can denote hypotenuse as C. Also this one and this one. So alternately we can write his as A. Then this one is also B. Then A, B, and then A, and then also we have B here. So when we analyze this illustration, the side of our big square is A plus B, because we have A then plus B. So the area of the bigger square is equivalent to A plus B square, because the area of the square is squared. So since our side is A plus B, we just square that one. Then the area of a small square inside, so the area of the small square, so it is C squared, kasi C man yung side na small circle inside, small square inside natin. Then we have four right triangles. So the area of the triangle is, a right triangle is 1/2 times base times height. Since height, we can conclude that our height is B or A, so we can simply 1/2 write it as 1/2 times E times A times B. So the area of the triangle, four right triangle, is equivalent to 4 times 1/2 AB. So we can simplify this as if we have E, the area of our bigger square, so E plus B squared, E plus B squared is equivalent to, since the area of our biggest square is equivalent to the sum of the area of the smaller square plus the area of the four right triangles. So we can write this as E plus B squared is equivalent to C squared plus 4 times 1/2 EB. Then we can expand this on the left side. We have e plus b squared. We can write it e squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Then on the right side, we can copy this one, c squared. Then 4 times 1 half eb, we can cancel it as 2. Then the 2 becomes 1. So 2 times 1 is simply 2eb, because 1 is our denominator, so no need to write 1 as our denominator. Then we can subtract both sides by negative 2ab. So 2eb, and the right side also we have 2eb. So we can cancel out this one also. We can cancel negative 2eb and positive 2eb. So the left side we left with e squared plus b squared. Then on the right side we have c squared, so we need to rearrange that one. C squared is equivalent to e squared plus b squared. So this is how to prove the Pythagorean theorem.